It's actually quite unusual to fall asleep as soon as your head hits the pillow, and it's very unusual to sleep right through the night without waking during the night. I'm going to be talking about this in today's video. Hi, I'm Martin Reed from insomniacoach.com. I help people with insomnia improve their sleep so they can live happier lives. So one common belief among people with insomnia is that they should be falling asleep as soon as their head hits the pillow, and that a normal night of sleep is sleeping all the way through the night with no awakenings until the alarm goes off in the morning. This is a commonly held belief that's actually very inaccurate. For most people without a problem with sleep, it will take anywhere between, say, 10 and 30 minutes to fall asleep. For people that fall asleep in less than 10 minutes, this is usually actually a sign of excessive sleepiness. And we might even want to investigate if there's some kind of sleep disorder at play if someone is consistently falling asleep within 10 minutes of getting into bed. For most good sleepers, between 10 and 30 minutes is kind of like the average amount of time it takes to fall asleep. So if you're getting into bed and you immediately become concerned if you haven't fallen asleep within 5 or 10 minutes, it's actually quite normal that you haven't fallen asleep that quickly. Another thing to bear in mind is that, as I've said in previous videos, it's completely normal to wake during the night. For people who don't even think about sleep, who have no trouble with sleep, it's actually quite normal to wake between 10 and even 15 times during the night. These tend to be really short awakenings of say 30 seconds to a minute. And most of the time these aren't even remembered because the awakenings are so short that we don't pay any attention to them. So as soon as we wake, we pretty much fall straight back to sleep again. So these are a completely normal part of sleep. They only really tend to become a problem in cases of insomnia when you wake during one of these natural awakenings, but then you immediately worry about the fact that you've woken up. And this worry then makes it really difficult to fall back to sleep. So the two key takeaways I want to leave you with from this video are: it's completely normal for it to take you, say, half an hour to fall asleep as soon as you get into bed. So please try not to worry about how long it takes you to fall asleep at the start of the night. And second, it's completely normal to be waking during the night. The key is to try not to worry about these awakenings or see them as anything unusual. As long as you've not been told that you snore really, really, really loudly, or you wake with a gasp or a choking sensation, then they're quite normal. I mean, those symptoms I just explained may be associated with sleep apnea, which is a different sleep disorder to insomnia. But as long as you're told that you're not snoring really loudly, you don't experience these pauses in breathing or these choking sensations, then these regular nighttime awakenings are actually quite normal. It's how you respond to them that determines how easily or how difficult it's going to be to fall back to sleep. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I try and share a short sleep snippet video every weekday. If you have any questions, comments, feedback or suggestions for a future video, please leave a comment below, or you can email me directly. My email address is hello@insomniacoach.com. I hope to see you back here again soon, and remember, you can sleep.